week series, I'm going to show you my 14 favorite stitches to do while binge watching your favorite TV show or your favorite Netflix series or Amazon Prime or HBO or Stars or Hulu. The list goes on and on. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, grab your remote, and probably a drink, and let's dive right in. Day 9. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. There it is. The linen and the linen / moss stitch. So this is another stitch where there are 2 names. Okay, it's the same stitch, 2 names, and the linen stitch is a very dense stitch, in my opinion. It's also a stretchy stitch. Okay, this is just regular acrylic yarn, but boy, does it stretch, right? Look at that. So if you take a close look, I'm going to stretch it out a little bit so you can maybe see the stitch a little better. It's really just single crochet, chain, single crochet, chain, single crochet, chain. And when you're making those single crochets, you are just crocheting directly into that chain of the stitch of the you're crocheting into the chain below. Super easy, super dense. Does take a super long time because yeah, it's easy, but they are single crochet stitches. Okay, so I love the texture of it. It's so smooth and stretchy. I really like it a lot. But a project using the linen stitch is going to take a long time if you're using 1 strand. Now, I have actually made rugs using the linen stitch by using 6 strands of yarn in a super big hook. Again, there's a tutorial on that if you want to make the rug. But the linen stitch, it is a favorite and it is pretty mindless. Okay, so you can certainly binge while doing the linen stitch. Pick a long series though, because that one's going to take you a while. All right, everybody, I'll see you tomorrow with another binge-worthy stitch. And until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.